Hello everyone, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy. Today I am going for a DEXA scan. I've been on maintenance calories for 3 months and I want to see what did the maintenance calories really do for me and my physical makeup. Did I really put on 15 pounds of fat? We're about to find out. Alright, so I am back home and I bet you guys are all wondering what the nitty-gritty answer to the question is. Did I gain body fat? Did I lose lean mass? How was my overall body makeup affected by my 3 months of maintenance calories of eating 2,000 to 2,300 calories per day? It was actually 2 months of 2,000 to 2,300 tracked and then a month of lazy keto where I likely ate more than that. So, how did things go today? Let's find out. Okay, so here is my lovely little report. The nice thing about going to a DEXA scan place more than once is that you can see your change over time. If I had realized that DEXA is not just for skinny people, I would have done a DEXA scan a long time ago. I would love to have that long-term proof of how much lean mass I've gained and how much fat I have lost over time. So if you are new to keto or you're just starting out, I highly recommend getting a DEXA scan from the very beginning and going back in every 3 to 4 months to see your progress over time and to make sure that what you are doing is really working for the goals that you have in mind. Now, that is my plan going forward, and so I will be going back in after this next 3 months. I will be going back in at the end of the summer to see how it went this summer, but for now we're talking about the spring. So according to this summary, my total mass has gone up 4 pounds. So I was 4 pounds heavier today than I was on the day I went in, which was February 9th of 2019. So basically 4 months ago. And my total mass has gone up from 187.4 to 191.3, which is a 4-pound gain, okay? My fatty tissue in pounds has gone from 62.81 pounds to 60.51. I actually lost about 2 pounds of body fat during the last 4 months. My lean mass has gone up from 117.65 to 123.93, which is a 6.23 gain, I think, of muscle on my body. So that made me extremely happy because as you well know, building lean mass helps you burn more fat, and building lean mass is exactly what I've been telling everybody that this diet will do for you. When I was eating my maintenance calories, I was hitting 150 plus grams of protein per day, sometimes upwards of 200. I was just protein hungry, and I ate a lot of fat as well, and I ate more carbs than usual, but for the most part, the protein was where I really bulked up my meals. So there is that. The only exercise that I have done in the last 4 months is the same exercise I was doing in the 4 months prior. I am doing ballet class once a week and a clogging class once a week. And that's it. No other exercise. So what's really nice about the DEXA scan is that it shows you really in detail the areas of your body. So you can see the areas of my body that are red are the lean. The areas of my body that are orange and yellow are the fatty tissue. And it's a lot less fatty tissue than on my last paper. Now, I wish I had my last paper to show you guys the picture. I should have saved that. I don't know exactly where I did with it, but it tells me over here and up here, like how much it has changed over time. So if I turn to the next page, well, the next page tells me my resting metabolic rate, how many calories I could eat a day. And when I told her I was eating 1,300 for a cut, she was kind of like, are you sure you're going to do that and maintain your lean mass? And I'm like, heck yes, I am. And I'm going to come back here in 3 months and prove that it works. That's my goal. Of course, I won't be doing ballet as much during the summer as I was before, but I will be walking and doing a lot of fun things with my kids. So I'm hoping it'll be enough exercise to keep my lean mass up that way. So over here, I have regional fatty tissue reports. You can see that the line is going down on all of them. All of the regions, my fatty tissue has gone down, not up, which I'm shocked. I have to be completely honest. I really thought I put on a lot of fat, and I apparently have not put on as much fat as I thought I did. So as you can see in my arms, I lost 1.14 pounds of fat in my arms. That is killer awesome. Killer awesome. You know how much I don't love my arms. And it's a 2.4%. So you can see it goes through all the areas of the body. My legs, I've gone down 0.88. My trunk, I've gone down 0.27, which my trunk was already my thinnest area. My android, which is my belly, I think has gone down 0.12, which explains why I'm still not losing any in that middle area. Same for the gynoid, which is the lower, it's the hips and all that, 0.23 only. But that is just plain awesome, down 0.23 for the whole shebang, which is awesome. Muscle, it gives me the muscle report as well. So as you can see, this one is down, this one is up, this one is up, all the others are up. So where did I go down in my lean tissue? My arms. I lost 0.64 pounds of lean tissue in my arms, which is amusing to me because my arms are actually the only thing that I actually try and exercise. I do a lot of like chair lifts and things like that. I don't know. Go figure on that one, right? And then my legs, I put on 4 pounds of muscle in my legs. Thank you, ballet. Thank you, protein level. Awesome. That just makes me so happy. And I put on 2.9 of lean in my trunk where I'm already the thinnest. Awesome. Like, that is just spectacular. In my android, which is my belly, it's 0.24. And in my gynoid, which is like my hips area, my buttocks area, is 0.62, which is pretty good. So total 6.28 gain in lean mass and 5.3% up in lean mass. So that makes me really happy. So if you guys have watched my other DEXA scan video, you know that according to this chart and my age, my goal is to be in the 27% body fat range. In the time that I was in maintenance, I decreased my total body fat 2 whole percent. That is killer awesome. I am now sitting at 32.8, which is about 33% body fat. I've only got 6% to go, guys. Let's see how much I can get off this summer. People say summer is a hard time to lose, and I don't know that I'll be able to stay on this reset the entire summer, but it is my goal to do my ultimate best to try and do that so that I can see if it really, really works. I will be having a high fat day here and there, but for the most part, I'm going to stick to my weight loss, fat loss macros, the ones I give in my Facebook group. So if you're new to my channel and you haven't joined the Facebook group and you would like the macros, you could go over there and join the Facebook group. The link is in the About section below, or you can email me at ketochaos@gmail.com and I will send you our Getting Started guide free of charge, no strings attached. So I hope that that is something that can benefit you guys. I am thrilled. I had a lot of naysayers on here. I had a lot of people who were trepidatious, by my food choices, kind of giving me a hard time about putting on the weight. But guess what, guys? It was mostly water weight. And over the next few weeks, we should see it going whoosh, whoosh, bye-bye. So that's what I'm hoping. We will see. I'm super happy about my results and stoked because this means I'm just this much closer to true maintenance for me that works. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I hope you're just as excited as I am about my DEXA scan result. Don't forget to hit that like button and comment below. Let me know how you feel about the results and whether or not you're excited to try a DEXA scan yourself. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here because I want to keep all of my friends here around me to help support me in my goals for getting to my ultimate goal of 27% body fat. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. We'll talk to you again soon.